with taser, drop the knife or will use force. Taser, taser, taser. Okay, so the taser operators are trained to identify themselves as guards with tasers. And then before they actually squeeze the trigger, they give taser, taser, taser. And that's a warning to the person that's going to be tasered and also other guards in the area that they know the taser is being operated. So again, it's cross draw. As soon as the taser comes out, it takes the safety off. You'll see your laser up there. Again, I'm very conscious of not being too high in the chest area. So Gardaí with taser. So we'll just say it's a knife. Drop the knife or we'll use force. And then we say taser, taser, taser. Now, you're going to hear a little bit of a bang. Taser, taser, taser.
So this is very much for really dynamic, dangerous situations that are not only our own people, but members of the public are exposed to. We see people in the middle of the day in highly populated areas. I've even seen some of them in some of our very busy shopping centres. Stabbings occurring right in those areas. So that's in places where people are with their families, with their children, and we have people who think they can do that right in the open in the middle of the day. So obviously we need our members to be able to respond to those goals, and they need to be able to deal with them. This isn't, the use of tasers, this isn't for obviously for the normal members of the public. This isn't for 95% plus of what we do. This is for these really dangerous, dynamic situations. But unfortunately, these are happening, and we just have to be able to have the response to deal with the problem.